next video, we'll be diving into the fascinating topic of the psychology of money. Money has been an essential part of our lives for centuries, and understanding the psychological aspects of money can be crucial in helping us achieve our financial goals. Today I'll be sharing 21 lessons that are explained in the book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Luck versus Risk. In the first lesson from The Psychology of Money, we explore the concept of luck versus risk. Sometimes, bad luck can influence our financial decisions, causing us to make choices that may not be in our best interest. It's important to remember that while we can't control luck, we can control how we react to it. Additionally, it's crucial not to solely rely on financial advice, as it may not always be the best fit for our individual situations. Lesson 2. Knowing when you have enough. Lesson 2 emphasizes the importance of recognizing when we have enough. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that more always means better, but this isn't always the case. By being content with what we have and understanding that there's a point of diminishing returns, we can avoid making poor financial decisions. Recognizing when we have enough can help us prioritize our financial goals and avoid overspending or unnecessary risk-taking. Lesson 3. Compound interest. Compound interest is a powerful tool for growing wealth over the long term. It is interest that is earned not only on the principal amount, but also on any accumulated interest. Over time, the compounding effect can result in significant growth of your investment. The key to maximizing the benefits of compound interest is to start investing early. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow and compound. Even small amounts of money invested regularly over a long period of time can accumulate into a significant sum. Lesson 4. Plan on the plan, not going according to plan. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected events can happen at any time. It is important to be prepared for financial emergencies that could potentially harm your finances. Having an emergency fund can provide a financial cushion to help you weather unexpected expenses such as job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. It is also important to have a backup plan for your long-term financial goals. Recognize that your financial plan may need to be adjusted over time as circumstances change. Be flexible and willing to make adjustments as needed to ensure that you stay on track toward your financial goals. Lesson 5. Be a pilot of your finances. One of the most important lessons in the psychology of money is learning to be the pilot of your finances. This means making rational decisions based on facts and data, instead of being influenced by emotions or following the herd. It can be easy to get caught up in the hype of a hot investment, or to make impulsive decisions based on fear or excitement. However, these decisions are often not the best ones for our long-term financial well-being. Instead, it's important to take a step back and analyze our financial situation objectively. This includes creating a budget, setting financial goals, and investing in a diversified portfolio. By being the pilot of our finances, we can make informed decisions that align with our personal values and long-term goals, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations or social pressures. Lesson 6. Freedom comes first. Another key lesson from the psychology of money is the importance of building freedom into our lives. While money can provide a certain level of security and comfort, true happiness and fulfillment often come from having the freedom to pursue our passions and interests. This means focusing on building a life that provides freedom, rather than just chasing after money. One way to build freedom into our lives is by creating passive income streams, such as investing in real estate or dividend-paying stocks. This allows us to generate income without having to trade our time for money. Another way is to minimize our expenses and live below our means, freeing up more time and resources to pursue our passions. Ultimately, the goal should be to create a life that provides us with the freedom to choose how we spend our time and money, rather than feeling trapped in a job or financial situation that doesn't align with our values or goals. Lesson 7. No one is as impressed by your material stuff as you are. It's easy to get caught up in the idea that the more you have, the happier you'll be. However, the reality is that material possessions do not define you as a person. While it's okay to enjoy nice things, it's important to recognize that they do not necessarily bring happiness or fulfillment. In fact, constantly chasing after more material possessions can often lead to a cycle of never feeling satisfied or content. Additionally, it's important not to compare yourself to others based on their material possessions. Everyone has different circumstances and priorities, and what works for one person may not work for another. Lesson 8. Your time is valuable. Time is one of the most precious commodities we have, and once it's gone, we can never get it back. Therefore, it's important not to waste your time on things that don't matter. This can mean different things to different people, but generally speaking, it's important to prioritize activities that align with your values and bring you joy or fulfillment. This could include spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies or interests, or working towards your goals. It's also important to learn how to say no to things that don't align with your priorities or values, and to set boundaries to protect your time and energy. By valuing your time, you can create a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Lesson 9. The power of saving. Saving money is one of the most fundamental lessons in the psychology of money. Saving can have a significant impact on your finances, as it can help you build a financial cushion, achieve your goals, and prepare for unexpected expenses. Developing a savings plan is crucial to financial success, as it ensures that you have the funds to cover expenses, while also allowing you to achieve your long-term financial goals. The first step to saving money is to develop a budget that outlines your income and expenses. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, you can determine how much you can save each month. It's important to make saving a priority and to put aside a portion of your income every month, even if it's just a small amount. Over time, these small savings can add up and make a significant difference in your financial well-being. Another key to successful saving is to be disciplined and consistent. Stick to your savings plan and avoid spending the money you've set aside for savings. One way to do this is to automate your savings by setting up a direct deposit from your paycheck into your savings account. This ensures that the money is saved before you have a chance to spend it. Lesson 10. Don't confuse entertainment with happiness. In the modern world, it's easy to confuse entertainment with true happiness. We're bombarded with advertisements for the latest gadgets, trendy clothes, and exotic vacations. While these things may bring temporary pleasure, they don't necessarily lead to lasting happiness. In fact, research has shown that experiences, rather than possessions, are more likely to bring long-term happiness. It's important not to let entertainment distract you from your goals. While it's okay to indulge in occasional treats and entertainment, you should avoid letting these things become a distraction from your long-term financial goals. Instead of spending money on fleeting pleasures, focus on building a life that provides true happiness, such as spending time with loved ones, pursuing meaningful hobbies, and investing in experiences that will create lasting memories. By prioritizing your time and resources in this way, you can achieve a more fulfilling and satisfying life. Lesson 11. Be patient. Patience is a virtue that is crucial for achieving financial success. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for immediate results and instant gratification, but it's important to remember that building wealth takes time. In fact, successful investors often attribute their success to their ability to remain patient and consistent in their actions, even during tough times. By taking a long-term perspective, you can avoid making rash decisions and stay focused on your goals. Lesson 12. Focus on what you can control. In life, there are many things that are beyond our control. When it comes to finances, we cannot control the economy or the stock market, but we can control our own actions and decisions. By focusing on what you can control, you can take proactive steps to improve your financial situation. This includes developing good financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. By making rational decisions and taking action, you can improve your financial well-being and achieve your goals. Lesson 13. Don't make decisions based on fear. Fear is a natural emotion that can be useful in keeping us safe, but it can also lead to poor financial decisions. Making decisions based on fear, such as selling stocks during a market downturn or avoiding investing altogether, can prevent you from achieving your long-term financial goals. Instead of making decisions based on fear, it's important to approach financial decisions with rationality and logic. This means gathering all the necessary information, analyzing the risks and benefits, and making informed decisions based on your goals and values. By overcoming your fears and making rational financial decisions, you can achieve greater financial security and success. Lesson 14. Don't be overconfident. Being confident is important, but being overconfident can lead to poor financial decisions. Overconfidence can cause you to take on too much risk or make investments without doing proper research. It can also cause you to ignore warning signs or to underestimate the potential downsides of a decision. It's important to be aware of your limitations and not to overestimate your abilities. Don't assume that you know everything or that you're invincible. Recognize that there is always more to learn and that mistakes can happen. By being humble and cautious, you can avoid making costly mistakes that can harm your finances. Lesson 15. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself can have a significant impact on your finances. By improving your skills and knowledge, you can increase your earning potential and create more opportunities for yourself. This can lead to higher salaries, promotions, or even starting your own business. Investing in yourself can also provide personal benefits, such as increased self-confidence, better health, and a more fulfilling life. By pursuing hobbies, learning new skills, and engaging in personal development, you can enhance your overall well-being and happiness. Remember that investing in yourself doesn't always have to cost money. You can read books, attend free seminars or workshops, or even just take the time to reflect and set goals for yourself. The key is to prioritize your personal growth and to continuously work towards becoming the best version of yourself. Lesson 16. Always be learning. In order to achieve financial success, it's important to make continuous learning a priority. Learning new skills, staying up to date with the latest trends and developments, and seeking out new opportunities can help you stay ahead of the game. Whether it's through formal education, online courses, or self-study, there are endless opportunities for personal and professional growth. By continually learning, you can increase your earning potential, expand your knowledge and expertise, and make informed decisions that can have a positive impact on your finances. Lesson 17. Don't be afraid to say no. Saying no can be difficult, especially when it comes to social situations or peer pressure. However, it's important to set boundaries and prioritize your goals. Saying no to things that don't align with your values, interests, or financial goals can help you stay focused and avoid distractions. Being confident in your decisions and not letting others influence you can help you make choices that are in your best interest. Lesson 18. Avoid debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial success. It's important to avoid taking on unnecessary debt and to live within your means. This means only taking out loans or credit when it's absolutely necessary and paying them off in a timely manner. Living within your means can help you avoid the cycle of debt and interest payments, and instead focus on building your savings and investments. By avoiding debt, you can have more control over your finances and work towards achieving your long-term goals. Lesson 19. Money doesn't buy happiness. Although money can make life easier and provide more opportunities, it does not guarantee happiness. The pursuit of wealth can lead to a never-ending cycle of wanting more and more, often leading to a sense of unfulfillment. Instead of focusing solely on accumulating wealth, it's important to focus on the things that truly bring happiness and fulfillment in your life. This could include spending time with loved ones, pursuing hobbies and passions, giving back to the community, and practicing self-care. Lesson 20. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is the practice of acknowledging and appreciating the good things in your life, both big and small. It can lead to a happier and more fulfilling life by shifting your focus away from what you lack and towards what you have. By cultivating a sense of gratitude, you can learn to appreciate the simple pleasures in life, strengthen your relationships, and boost your overall well-being. Some ways to practice gratitude include keeping a gratitude journal, expressing gratitude to others, and focusing on the present moment. Lesson 21. Reading more books like The Psychology of Money. One of the best ways to improve your financial literacy and gain knowledge about financial management is to read books on the subject. Reading books about financial management can provide you with valuable insights, tips, and strategies to improve your financial situation and help you achieve your goals. There are many different types of books available on financial management, from personal finance guides to investment manuals to business and economics textbooks. Depending on your interests and goals, you can choose books that cover specific topics or provide a more general overview of financial management. By reading more books about financial management, you can learn about topics such as budgeting, saving, investing, risk management, debt management, and retirement planning. You can also gain insights into the psychology of money, including the ways that our emotions and biases can influence our financial decisions. In addition to providing practical advice and guidance, reading books about financial management can also help you stay motivated and inspired to achieve your financial goals. Many books include inspiring stories of people who have successfully managed their finances and achieved financial freedom, which can help you stay motivated and focused on your own journey. In conclusion, the 20 lessons from the psychology of money cover a broad range of topics that are essential to financial success. These lessons teach us the importance of being patient, investing in ourselves, and focusing on what we can control. We learn that money doesn't buy happiness, and that true wealth comes from building a life that provides freedom and contentment. By avoiding debt, saving money, and making rational decisions, we can achieve financial stability and security. It is also important to remember that material possessions do not define us and that our time is valuable. Reading books about financial management and continuously learning are important for long-term success. Finally, practicing gratitude and saying no to things that don't align with our goals can lead to a happier and more fulfilling life. These lessons can help us develop a healthy relationship with money and achieve our financial goals.